Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Adnan from class Informatik 52A01. Today I will explain about software programming language, networking, and malware. The first, I will explain software programming language and networking. Next, what is software? Software is a set of instruction, data, or programs used to operate computers and perform specific tasks. Unlike hardware, which is the physical part of computer, software is internally and tells the hardware what to do. And there are several types of software. First, system software. System software example, Windows, macOS, Linux. Second, application software. Application software example, Microsoft Office, Adobe Photoshop. Third, programming software. Programming software example, Visual Studio and Eclipse. Fourth, driver software. Driver software example, Bluetooth drivers, mouse drivers, keyboard drivers. Fifth, middleware. Middleware example, database middleware, message-oriented middleware or MOM, and web middleware. Next, what is programming language? Programming language is a formal set of rules and syntax used to write instructions that a computer can understand and execute. It allows humans to communicate with machines to create software, websites, apps, and more. And here I take there are two types of programming language: is high level like a Python, Java, C++, and low level like assembly and machine code. Next, popular programming language. The popular programming language usually used is first Python. Python is used to learn widely used in AI and data science. Second, Java. Java used for enterprise application and Android apps. Third, C++. C++ known for speed and system-level programming. Fourth, JavaScript. JavaScript like common in web development. Next, what is networking? Networking is critically important in the field of computing and technology because it allows computers and devices to communicate, share resources, and access services. The concept is like IP address, router and switch, and client server model. Then protocols like TCP or IP and HTTP. Types of networking. Then here there are also various types of networking. The first, PAN, personal area network. Personal area network very small, typically with a few meters. LAN, local area network. Local area network, small area like a home or office. 1. Wide area network. Wide area network refers area like the internet. MAN. Metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network covers a city or campus. WLAN. WLAN wireless local area network similar to LAN but user wireless communication or Wi-Fi.
Okay, next I will explain about malware, malicious software. Malicious software, or known as malware, is a program that is inserted into a system, usually covertly, with the intent of the confidentiality, integrity, or availability of the victim's data, application, or operating system, or otherwise lying or disrupting the victim. In other words, malicious software is software that is intentionally included or inserted in a system for harmful access. Next, common types malware. First, virus. Second, worm. Third, Trojan horse. Fourth, spyware. Fifth, hardware. Virus. Computer virus is piece of software that can infect other programs by modifying them. The modification includes injecting the original program with a routine to make copies of the virus program, which can then go on to infect other programs. A virus can do anything that other programs do. The difference is that a virus attaches itself to another program and executes secretly. When the host program is run, once a virus is executing, it can perform any function, such as erasing files and programs. Worms. Worm is a program that can replicate itself and send copies from computer to computer across network connection. Upon arrival, the worm may be activated to replicate and propagate again. In addition to propagation, the worm usually performs some unwanted function. An email virus has some of the characteristics of a worm because it propagates itself from system to system. Next, Trojan horse. Trojan horse is useful or apparently useful program or common procedure containing hidden code that, when invoked, performs some unwanted or harmful function. Trojan horse programs can be used to accomplish functions indirectly that an unauthorized user could not accomplish directly. For example, to gain access to the files of another user on a shared system. A user could create a Trojan horse program that, when executed, changes the invoking initial file permissions so that the files are readable by any user. Spyware. Spyware is collect information from a computer and transmit it to another system. It usually aims to track and sell your internet use data, capture your credit card or bank account information, or steal your personal identity. Hardware is a software that can result in unwanted ads or redirection of a browser into a commercial site. It generates revenue for its for its developer by automatically generating online advertisement in the user interface of the software or on a screen presented to the user during the installation process. Thank you for watching.